May pasanag, unahin.
Thank you so much, guys. Please don't connect. Si Carly, Dito Lips, thank you so much po sa inyo, guys. Love po sa inyo. Huge. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, white flag. Shikel, are you still there, Shikel? Or Shikel, are you still there, Shikel? Because it's hard to sing this one. But I try my best. Kasi mahirap talaga kantahin, Lay, promise. Mahirap kantahin, Lay. Hindi mo masundan eh. Parang, basta. Pero I try my best na makanta ito. Thank you so much po. Okay, and sige. Shikel, for you, Shikel, ha? I'm here. For you, Shikel. I'm sorry, ha? I don't know much of this song, but I tried my best one. I know you think that I shouldn't still love you or tell you that. But if I didn't say it, well, I'd still have feel it. Would you say that? From the start, I tried to make your life harder or return to a world where I go down and shit. And I won't hold my hands up and surrender. Will be no white flag above my door. And it won't, it always will be. I know I never, but yes, distraction to come on again. And I just nothing but trouble. I understand that you can talk to me again. And if you live by the rules, all it's over. And I'm sure that it makes sense. But I will go down with a ship. And I won't hold my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flag above my door. I belong and always will be. When we're not with, I know we were. All that was there will be there. I need a place and hold my job. And you will think that I will go down with a ship. And I won't hold my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flag above my door. I belong and always will be. I will go down with a ship. I won't hold my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flag above my door. I belong, it always will be. I will go down with a ship. And I won't hold my hands up and surrender. There will be no white flag above my door. I belong, it always will be. Oh, yes. Ay, nakaraos din. Thank you so much sa nakabidyo sa atin, guys. Isa na lang nila ha. Paris, oh, nag-request din ang akong bata. Tinundo ito. Okay.
Kantahin mo mag-share request yan eh.
Paris, ara ka ba? Andiyan ka ba pa, Paris? Okay, may Paris, may youngest daughter requested Celos. Sasayaw siguro to. Brown out lay ha, brown out sa kanila. Pero ano yun yung net? Piso net ba yun? Thank you so much, Shikel. I'm sorry, Shikel, ha, but I don't know how to sing that well. But I hope. Okay, nandiyan pa ba yung mga baby girl ko? Oh, you request the song from mommy.